We have begun sampling the oil on our Dodge Ram 3500's Cummins engine and needed a quick way to drain sample oil. The solution is the no-spill drain plug system. The drain plug simply replaces the OEM drain plug and is available in two styles. There's a standard or longer stem version, and there's also a compact version. We chose the compact version, which is popular for our four-wheel drive vehicles, as it gives you a less exposed profile at the oil pan. We needed to sample an existing crankcase of oil and leave the crankcase oil in the crankcase, so I swapped over the drain plug without fully draining the oil. Normally, the plug change would be done simply with an oil change. There wouldn't be the time constraint for swapping the plugs. This is the minimal amount of oil lost in the swap of the two plugs. Tools for the plug swap are simple enough. Use a torque wrench. The copper washer furnished with the no-spill drain plug is helpful in that it spaces the drain plug away from the pan. This minimized the risk of rounding corners on the brass hex. The plastic hose that is part of the drain is handy. It drops low enough to get to the drain pan. Strategically, for our Cummins engine, the oil pan plug, the Franz bypass filter, and the OE spin-on filter are all within close proximity. No spill means just that. Look how easy it is to fill this bottle. Twisting this knob inward releases oil at any pace you want, from a trickle to a flow. Backing it off stops the oil flow. The result is no mess, and for sampling oil where only a small amount of crankcase oil is removed to be sent in for testing, this is really handy. Between oil changes or drain sampling, this cap keeps dust and debris out of the drain plug. The cap can be tightened finger tight, snugly. The no-spill compact drain plug assembly tucks neatly against the pan. To top off oil with our Franz bypass system, we begin with this quick coupler disconnect. Changing or sampling oil is now a snap with the no-spill drain plug assembly.